Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Organic Chemistry 1. To truly succeed, active learning is absolutely essential. Don't just read your textbook. Instead, actively work through problems and draw out mechanisms. Try explaining concepts to a friend or even to yourself. This hands-on approach helps solidify your understanding far more effectively than simply reviewing notes. Aim for at least 1 hour of active practice daily. Understanding reaction mechanisms is crucial for organic chemistry. Instead of rote memorization, focus on the why behind each step. Look for recurring patterns in how molecules react and what reagents are involved. Flashcards can be incredibly helpful for key reactions, reagents, and their corresponding products. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to reviewing these, ensuring you can predict outcomes accurately. Consistent practice problems are your best friend in organic chemistry. Make sure to complete all assigned homework and textbook exercises thoroughly. Working through past exams and quizzes is an excellent way to prepare for assessments. Don't hesitate to find extra problems online or in supplementary workbooks. Discussing challenging questions with classmates can also provide new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Developing effective study habits will significantly boost your success. Break your study time into focused, shorter blocks, perhaps 25 to 50 minutes, with short breaks in between. Regular review, even for 15 minutes daily, prevents information from piling up. Remember to prioritize adequate sleep and maintain a balanced lifestyle to keep your mind sharp. Stay persistent and positive. You can master this subject.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.